Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, integrated campus, Hyderabad. Estimation Quantity Surveying. I'm Dr. A. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In Unit 4, I explained in previous video what is rate analysis. What are the factors affecting the rate analysis? See, apart from these specifications, as you know, what are the important specifications in the construction? That is general specification, maybe detailed specification. You know very well what are the general items and general specifications and detailed specifications. So we required quality of material, quantity of material, and charges, that is wages of the skilled labor, unskilled labor, and these are all important. Location also important. That what I explained in the previous video. Now today this class and overhead and establishment charges. Now for any project, any construction, there are overhead and establishment charges will be there, which are unforeseen or miscellaneous expenditure. Because if you want to construct suppose a project, you need some temporary shelter for labor. You have to provide some water facilities, toilet facilities, or other facilities you have provide for in establishment for that labor. And the cost of materials at the source and site construction. What is the difference between source and construction? You have to calculate the costs of material included that transportation charges, and the cost of material are taken as delivered at site inclusive of transport and local taxes and other charges. See, whenever suppose for Hyderabad the materials required sand, okay, you will get sand from that near Kaleshwaram or that Sircilla or from Vijayawada. You may have transportation charges. Apart from, you have toll taxes and senerage taxes. So government taxes will be there. So this cost, suppose for 10 cubic ton of sand, this cost of material at the site includes these transportation charges and local taxes and toll taxes, like all other charges include the materials while you calculating rate of analysis for an item. Okay. Similarly, for bricks or aggregates, metal, whatever it may be, these are all include your local taxes also. This we should consider. And profit, you should add profit, contractor profit 10% after the estimation of item. Suppose RCC 10 cubic meter you calculated, and you calculate for 1 cubic meter, and also you have to add for total cost including overhead, established and lump sum electrical, sanitary charges. You have to add profit of 10% to the contractor. Okay, so this is will get total item cost. Now if you see what is the purpose of analysis of rates, it's a very important. See, to work out the actual cost per unit of items. See, we need to calculate, we need to know what is the actual cost per unit of the item. Suppose concrete. In concrete, if it is required to know, see, in concrete, it is required to know the suppose RCC, reinforcement concrete, so you need plain cement concrete, so that you can mix it site, or directly you can purchase from the RMC ready-made mix plants, RMC's plants also. So you need for 1 cubic meter, what is the actual cost? For that cost also you need, either it may be at the site or from the transportation. So this actual cost we require. That's why the purpose of analysis is to work out the actual cost per unit of the item, to work out the economical use of materials and process in completing the particular items. See, we are able to know that materials, what are the materials required, how much material required, so what is the cost, whether we could go for that item, that specification, or we can reduce some items or brand or cost of the items, and quality of, may compromise quality. Instead of going granite 1,000 rupees per square feet, you can go for 100 rupees or 200 rupees marble stone or 50 rupees tiles, so that it should be useful for to work out economically use of materials. Okay, and you know what are the how much material required. So sand so much, cement so much, you will purchase according to requirement. Okay, so in analysis, in rate analysis, according to requirement materials, you will purchase reinforcement and aggregates or cement, sand. And for to work out the extra items which are not provided in the contract bond, but are to be done as per the instructions of the department. Sometimes what will happen, yeah, whenever you constructing a project or a building on the contract, suppose see, whenever, see, in the any project, whatever it may be, see, redesign, realignment, or design will vary slightly. Even private, in your houses, your residential building also, some of might, you might experience that issue, because you don't want wall this side or other walls this side. You want puja room or some other some extra items, sanitary items, like that. You want some different flooring in the hall, like that. You may change the item. Okay, you want strong, or you want to go one more one floor more construction, and suppose if you want water tank, suppose there are extra items are there when while you are constructing, even there are no contract bond, but according to these item rate, you have to pay that amount. That is additional amount for additional quality. Suppose compound wall is there, if for running meter or brick wall is there, that way you have to pay from the, you have to take that rate from the, that SSR, SOR, or analysis of rates, and you have to pay that cost. That is the importance of the analysis of rate, to work out the cost of extra items which are not provided in the contract bond, but are to be done as per direction of the department. Sometimes the department will direct you. See here, to revise the schedule of rates due to increase the in the cost of material and labor due to change in technique. Suppose manually or mechanically, some way, if you change the technique, suddenly that rates will maybe revised. There will be for skilled labor so much amount, and for this equipment for one day, if you want to take rent, so much amount. So there will be like that very different items rates will be there, and if you want new techniques, if you want use, okay, and if you nowadays in painting, you have different type of textures. So whenever you see while construction is going on, many changes will be there. So to revise the schedule of rates, so you can change that with the help of analysis of rate. Cost of labor, types of labor. First of all, you know, skilled labor and unskilled labor. There are two types. See, skilled labor, they will generally, maybe suppose for some work, there are 2 or 3% will be there. Remaining are unskilled labor. See, who will do the work at site, and they required material they will construct as per plan, and they need unskilled labor. So the labor rates are different. See, for example, for skilled labor, 1,000 rupees per day, unskilled labor, say 800 rupees. Like that, waterman 500 rupees or 600 rupees. Like that, there are different type of labor rates are there. Even men, for men, the rate is different, and for women also different. This is a unfortunate thing in the analysis of the rate of SSR or SOR, because actually equal labor, but say psychologically they will do less work than men work. That's why the payment will be less. So here also there are different types of labor classified. Okay, skilled labor, unskilled labor. Okay, so according to labor also, your rates, analysis of rates will be changed. So these are important factors and purpose and analysis of rates. See, to revise the schedule of rates due to increase in the cost of material and labor due to change in technique. Cost of labor, types of labor, standard schedule of labor, and the labor can be classified into two types: skilled and first class, skilled second class, unskilled. Three types labor are there. Okay, different labor you will have different rates. Okay, so the labor charges can be obtained from the standard schedule rates. 30% of skilled labor provided in the data may be taken as the first class, remaining second person 70% and 70 second class. Okay, this is a general thing. The rates of materials for government works are fixed by the superintendent engineer for his circle every year and approved by the board of chief engineer, as I said. Okay, so these are the important factors, purposes of the rate of analysis. I will end this video. Thank you.